Hi boys and girls, it's Shane, Shay, my buddy, and my beautiful wife Jennifer. And we're gonna look at buying this house potentially today. This is listed as a for sale by owner. We're gonna see if we can work out a deal on it. But this house potentially goes back to the War of 1812, possibly the Masonic Lodge. I'm gonna hopefully hear all about it. They're expecting me. So this porch needs to be painted haint blue to keep boo hags away.
Great.
Hi,
Hi.
I'm
Hey,
Shane.
Shane, nice to meet you.
This is my wife Jennifer and my friend
I was
Shay.
enjoying the porch.
Yeah, we were just looking around at the porch.
How are you doing? What's the outfits?
So we're both
Scottish.
Scottish heritage, and
Come on in.
yeah.
Thank you so much. For
Oh, these floors are beautiful wood.
So this is, yeah, I mean, we're
Yeah.
Scottish too.
Awesome.
Irish, yeah, English.
And you said that this place has some history of like Albert Pike in it?
Well, yeah. I mean, that's something that I'm not 100% sure of, but my brothers told me that my father
the glass
told him
over there.
that it was actually the floor plans were drawn up by Albert Pike. The paintings,
Some of them?
there's a whole story on the paintings.
Well, I might love to hear it. Do you mind if I walk around a little bit and just kind of look?
Yeah, I mean, if you're going to take videos,
Right. How much do you think this home would go for in your area? There'll be a lot of things to look at down in the basement.
Well, that's the thing. I want to
Watch
have
your
a
step,
yard
dear.
sale or something. I mean, we spent almost 6 months just getting all of the stuff, family stuff out of the house.
Oh my, this basement's gigantic.
Yeah, we had a lot of rain, and so water's coming in. But
Well,
it's got
this is the
Yeah,
perfect
there's a
time.
drain. There's a floor drain where all the water
Yeah,
goes out.
well, this is the time to see how much water gets in it, because we definitely had a rainstorm yesterday.
So this was actually, this used to be kind of my room.
Down here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's nice down here in the summertime because it's always cool.
Cool. It's good to see an updated electrical panel like this in a home that would have definitely been made with knob and tube. Let's go to the second floor and see some of the amazing inlaid floors.
I've got
Zoom out to get a more wide angle look. Upstairs. A nice big hall.
Yeah, I like the.
Yeah, see, that's the tile that was in the
Oh yeah.
hotel.
That's like downtown Van Buren. So this would put this house, if this tile's original, which it probably is, to probably like the 1890s,
Yeah,
I would guess.
yeah, right around in there.
Very cool.
Okay, so
Gold-
there's the
gold feet in the
bedroom.
tubs.
There's
Well, let me go back there and take a look too then. So.
yeah, we'll go up there.
No, I was just asking. I lived in a similar house.
Yeah, it's got a full attic in it too.
Hi, Shane. Hi. So these are pine floors here. Oh, that's different. Is that stuck on the floor? That's inlaid into the floor. This. Look at this.
Oh,
Look at this. This is inlaid.
oh, wow.
That's not a sticker. That's actually embedded into the floor.
Yeah, it's that abalone or whatever.
Yeah.
That's different.
It used to be a rose. It was a flower. And
Okay.
we sanded it down.
And then this would be the door that goes out to the front porch, so you could.
And the banisters got,
Yeah.
the banister
Right.
they had rebuilt. It was beautiful, but
Or
they
for the
didn't
front
really
roof.
have the right materials, and
There's another hallway. Okay, so yeah, we've got an upstairs laundry. And another bathroom. With a head knocker. Man, that is a head knocker. Look at how far out over the toilet that one sticks. As we go into the attic, I'm trying to think of how I'm going to convince him to sell me this with no one down.
yeah, the place needed. We never did put new windows in. That was the one thing that they just didn't do. My mom wanted to keep the old windows.
Let's
There's a little room right here.
This is cool.
Wanna look in with the light?
Yeah. Yeah, get past you here. Which looks like there's probably a light that works. Yeah. Little closet.
Over the years.
And I guess this is usable in the spring and the fall mostly.
All the stuff that's in this house that's left is going in the garage sale. Like I said, we spent a lot of time getting everything I want to keep, but most of it's.
So that's a big garage size still.
What do you think? Should we try to buy this house? I think I can get it for less than 200,000. Wow. Okay.